Okay, welcome. This is Bryant Myers with iMRS2000.com and also iMRS-2000.net. Just want to take you through two examples of before and after on live blood microscopy. Live blood microscopy is a way to view the red blood cells under a microscope in real time, so you can see, the integrity and quality and sort of the overall health of the red blood cells, which is so important, of course, for oxygen utilization and nutrient absorption. So here we see somebody before. This is before MRS 2000 or magnetic resonance stimulation, and notice that the red blood cells are kind of dark and stuck together. And now afterwards, you can see just a very dramatic change. Notice the brightness of the cells. They're more spherical. There's more separation, which means that the cells are going to help to absorb oxygen and to release it into the cells more effectively. In the previous slide, you saw all the cells clumped together. That's called the Rayleigh effect, and that's not good. And it has to do with the lack of charge on the cells. And it comes when the red blood cells get sticky and they stick together. And having a master's degree in physics and having taught physics for a couple years at Central Michigan and community colleges, it's really just electrostatics. I mean, when you increase the cellular potential across the cell membrane, you get an increase of positive charge on the outside of the cell and negative charge on the inside. And this positive charge, if you have an increase of positive charge, you got, like repels like. So all the cells repel each other. So we'll come back to that in a minute. But I just want to look at so let's just take a look here at the second example. This person's even worse off than the first one. Notice not only are their blood cells all clumped together, but notice that they're sort of deformed. They're not spherical. They're not perfectly spherical. So again, this is going to inhibit the amount of oxygen that can be absorbed and released into the cells. Now, the Rayleigh effect, this clumping, which is again due to a lack of charge on the cells and a decreased voltage, is not good because the capillaries are very, very small. Okay, you probably know the arteries and veins. They come together on the capillaries. And this is where the nutrients are absorbed into the lymph and then goes into the cells, because pretty much all your cells in your body except the red blood cells and certain immune cells are in the lymph. So when the cells all clump together, they can't even get through the capillaries because the capillaries only allow a single file. Okay, so getting back to the slide here, so we can see after the session, again, you'll notice a very dramatic increase in the separation of the cells, the brightness, and notice that the deformed cells are spherical again. And also notice the mobility. Notice the cells are more mobile, they're moving around, they just look healthier, more vibrant. And again, it's because of that positive charge. So again, thanks for watching, and I just wanted to share these two examples of before and after with the MRS 2000 and just further proof of how powerful this technology is. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.